bet you're gonna tell me I take a long time to get dressed. It's been 45 minutes. I got on some sweats and a t-shirt. I'm going to clean the RV today. Better be lucky I ain't no chicken head. What if I just put on some sweats and t-shirt, don't take no shower, you know how people is, they just put their stuff on and go. Better be lucky I ain't like that. I ain't no chicken head. I just don't put my hair in a ponytail and go. Gotta put on my fresheners. Gotta put on my, I ain't putting on that much makeup today. Just did my eyebrows and put some lip gloss on. He better be lucky that he got a queen. A beautiful queen that wanna feel good about herself. Okay? I'm a big girl, so I gotta fix myself up. I gotta be smelling good. I gotta look right. Okay? Okay? Alright, you guys, so we are on our way to the RV. I'm going to be making up the beds and cleaning out the refrigerator and just basically giving it a good clean. So, when we get there. Yeah, you guys, look at this. Battery gone. Propane tank's gone. Where'd it go? Who stole it? Got my baby though. About to clean her out. Alrighty. I should just take these glasses off. So, this is her now. Put the extra cushion down there. See, one of my kids' baby shoes. That's how long we had her. My grandbabies, probably. TV. She don't look too bad, y'all. She just been sitting. That's going in the trash. She ain't too bad. Everything just dusty. Mr. Clean is the shiznick, y'all. Mr. Clean works. And it smells good. So it's not bad. Honey cleaned out the freezer. Need some more cleaning. There's bugs in the freezer. Bugs. Gnats. Now the proper way is to get you some gloves. But honey, we didn't have no gloves, so we put some plastic bags over our hands and we just started cleaning away. Alright, you guys, I'm tired as heck. I gotta take a break. Cleaning this refrigerator was terrible. All the bugs, all the food that was in the refrigerator went to waste because the one stole our propane tanks and our battery. So this was a hard thing for me to do, clean up all the food in the refrigerator and freezer that we had. Alright, you guys, so as you can see, I am wiping down the couches. Now, the couches, the fabric is the kind of fabric that you can just wipe off and just let it shine. It doesn't affect the couches. And now you can see I am cleaning the floor. I'm just going to go over the floor with a scrubber, and it just evaporates into the floor and it takes all of the dirt off the floor. This is a carpet dirt remover that I'm using from the 99-cent store. Here. And I bought this from Camping World. And it cost me like, this is what it is. I think it cost like 40 bucks. I'll leave the link below. So we're gonna be putting this on so nobody can take our propane tanks and our battery anymore, and our refrigerator and all our lights, everything was not working anymore. So now we're gonna fix it to where by putting this on here and protecting it, putting a lock on. So we're gonna get that done right now. Is it hard putting this on back? So nobody will take our shit. Yep, it's looking good. It's looking good. She's looking good, y'all. That part is not really a lot. It's just screw on everything. You might want to seal it, bitch. After yeah, we're gonna take their time and do all that. You have to be like a really good stiller. Like they do with the races. Alright, so we're moving on to the bathroom. I'm just gonna spray the toilet and mop the floors. I'm also gonna spray the sink and put some Comic down in the shower. So right now I'm just mopping the floor. I'm gonna clean the shower. This is our bathroom. That's how it looks now. Here's the bed. I'm gonna be tucking down them sides right there. Tuck it down here and tuck it on the other side. So let me get to tucking. We got a new mattress, so it's nice and comfy now. We still have the original mattress that was on the bed with the plastic, but I'm gonna be putting up some new curtains, tucking this bed down so it's very tucked and it's still. I got 2 pillows right there. We usually bring extra pillows. I like a lot of pillows, so I'm gonna bring 2 more pillows in, put it underneath when we take it out, clean some mirror. Hey y'all, hey YouTube. And put some curtains up, and then we'll be set. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna show you how to pack. So I have my 3 boys and I have my toddler girl. So for the weekend, I got them 2 pairs of clothes, 1 extra, and I got their pajamas here, and then I have their swimsuits, and I also have their flip-flops. When you're camping, the only time you want to wear really tennis shoes is when you go hiking. Other than that, going to the pool, you want your flip-flops. So that's how we pack there. And then I have their pillows for comfort. All right, you guys, so there's Shalina. And we're at the 99-cent store, which they should name $1.20, I think, 9 store. Because everything is $1.29 and up. Now, I wanted you guys to see all the things that the 99-cent store has. All the spoons, all the knives, playing cards. We were looking for dominoes, but we didn't find the dominoes. But me and Jelena had fun playing with this little ball. She hit me and I hit her. Mama-daughter fun. We also got this thing that you tie from one tree to the other and you can lay in it. I forget what it's called, but we'll show you guys in a minute. We did get that from the 99-cent store, and we wasn't aware that they even had things like that at the 99-cent store. So you can get some good things at the 99-cent store, you guys. They also have things like tablecloths for your picnic table. They have lighter fluid and coals for your barbecue pit. So here's the mop and the broom, and they also have this cool chalkboard. Well, it's like a board that you can write things on, and I stick it in my RV. Most of the time I can say what we're having for dinner, lunch, breakfast, and the activities that we're going to be doing for the day. So we ended up getting way more than what was on the list. We got spoons, we got forks, we got knives to cut up our stuff for the RV. They have a big thing on the right hand side of forks and spoons and knives. We also got a broom and a mop to sweep and mop the RV out while we're camping. So this concludes the video for today. We did some RV things, we went shopping, and we'll pick up tomorrow in the morning when we go food shopping, and I'll see you guys at the campsite. If you're new, please subscribe and click that bell for the notifications.